how to fix couldn't load high resolution image problem on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, first step what you have to do is tap and hold on Messenger, tap on app information, and then here go to the storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, tap on OK. After that, go to the permission section and allow all the permissions one by one. So after allowing all the permissions, the next step what you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for Messenger application. Check for any updates available. If any updates available, make sure to update it to the latest version first, which will help you to bug the errors. And if this doesn't fix your problem, the last tip what you can do is simply uninstall the Messenger application and reinstall it from the App Store, and this will help you fix your problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.